Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston, and I want you to check out our premier Sunsation angler model. This is one of the coolest features you'll ever see on a pontoon boat right here. On both sides of the boat, the side fencing completely swings away, locks in place. It gives you a nice roomy platform for the kids to swim or to make it easier for the fishing. This boat comes with a tackle station, live well, tackle storage, drink holders, rod holders, fillet board, all built in. This boat is set up for fishing, but you also have the luxury on the front half to take the family for cruising and enjoying water sports. Check out the large water sports tower on the back. It is a triple log boat, so it performs just like any other boat you use for water sports, and it also handles rough water well. Ours are all designed